Good morning, guys. This week I will introduce Istanbul in Erasmus Generation. So this is my YouTube video and this is day one. And now I'm in Kadiköy. And a few minutes later we will head to the breakfast. So bye for now. Yes, meet my friend Munira, Kai, always busy, and Galata. Okay, and we are already done with our breakfast. Guys, I say goodbye to my friends to go to university and show you around, then I will join them again. Yes, this is the Göztepe campus, which is my university, and this is Atatürk Eğitim Education Faculty. And this is a library which is 724, which is open 724, and there is one cafe inside of it. It's also open 724, and there is another international offices somewhere here, and there are a lot of cafes over there too. And yes, that's it. Yes, guys, I'm in Kadiköy Moda now. We came here to chill a little bit. It was super rainy in the morning, but the sun was shining now, and we are ready to chill. The weather was rain in the morning, but now it's super good, perfect weather. Yes, and we've already eaten our meal, and I unfortunately forgot to record the meal, but you can go to the Erasmus Generation and watch from there. Are you recording? Yes, now I can start. And I will put this actually. After the meal, we generally prefer to drink the green tea in Turkmen culture, and that's it. So I think this is it for today. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to the day 2. Today I will introduce public transportations, and now I'm heading to pier to get into the ferry. So see you there. Guys, I arrived Karaköy and now I'm ready to get into this historical tram or metro. It's known one of the second oldest metro in the world. Yeah. And it connects from Karaköy to Beyoğlu. Out from metro, and now I'm heading to the Istiklal Street, which is one of the well-known streets in Turkey, and at the same time one of the most crowded cities. Actually, there is a historical tram also here. Yes, it's just right down there. There. Guys, Istiklal Street was there, and there is a Pera Museum in here, which can come weekly exhibitions, and there are a lot of interesting activities in this museum. I would highly recommend you to check their Facebook page, because they always announce it from there, the exhibitions, and it's generally in English and Turkish, so if you are a foreigner also, you would definitely find an exhibition or any interesting activities in this museum. I came to Burgos to charge my phone, and then I will go to Dolmabahçe Palace. Then I will meet with my friends. Then I think I will go home. Then bye for now, and see you in Dolmabahçe Palace. Guys, this is Dolmabahçe Palace, and just in front of it there is the stadium of Beşiktaş football team, and there is one mosque which is Dolmabahçe Mosque. Another entrance. This is also that wall of Dolmabahçe Palace, and look at these trees. They are huge. Guys, now I came to Pide in Beşiktaş, and these are the menus of them. I ordered spinach with cheese, and what did you order?
I ordered a pita with meat and cheese.
Which one?
This one, I think.
Okay. In Turkey, they bring such a things before the meal, and it's free. And we ordered ayran, of course. This what I ordered, and that is what my friends ordered. And for dessert, we ordered künefe. It has something. It's cheese inside and dessert. Good morning, guys. Today is the third day of Erasmus Generation. My third day in Erasmus Generation, and I will tell a lot of stories today. I hope I will not bother you with stories. Especially, I really care in stories. I don't want too much text, so I hope I will manage to deal with it. So see you in Old Town. Yeah, bye. German fountain and Turkish coffee. Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and the surrounding. Guys, we are going to Eminönü to meet my another friend, Munira. You might have known her. Bye. Egyptian Bazaar. We are in Galata Brıdge and heading to the Can Balık, somewhere here. It's our favorite fish and bread place. Yes, this is Can Balık. Guys, we are in Can Balık, and now I'm eating fish and lavash, and she's eating fish and bread. Normally we are in Karaköy now. Eminönü is another side. They are all famous place, but I think they are tourist trap, so come to Can Balık.
Boğaz hattı seferleri 50 metre sağ taraftaki iskeleden yapılmaktadır. Boğaz hattı seferleri 50 metre sağ taraftaki iskeleden yapılmaktadır. Yolcularımızın dikkatine, iskelelerimizde ağır sıkıntı kapatacak şekilde maske takılması, beklerken ve gemiye binerken sosyal mesafe kurallarına uyulması zorunludur. İskelelerinizde bulunan dezenfektanları kullanabilir.
Hagia Sophia, Topkapı Palace. Turkish Tea. Hi guys, good morning from the day 4. Now I'm in Kadiköy. I'm heading to the pier to meet my friends. Then we will go Heybeliada, which of the which one of the islands in Istanbul. So see you there or on the way. Yes, finally we are in Heybeliada. They are so chill. Guys, just right above the dock there is one naval school which Nazım Hikmet and Necip Fazıl, which are one of the most famous poets in Turkey, studied in this school. And this one is the mast of one of the ship which leads the Ottoman Empire into First World War. There is a horses. Guys, the car rent place gave me this, and I am somewhere here, I guess. And this is what we are looking for. By the way, this is my bike, and this is that amazing view. Just breathtaking. Guys, I'm running because I need to catch my ferry, which is in 15 minutes. Yes, bye for now. Guys, I came to park to answer the Erasmus Generation followers questions. If you are interested in answers, you can check the Erasmus Generation's Instagram page and my stories, of course. Yeah, my guys, this is the literally end of my Erasmus Generation week. So thank you for all of my friends. Thank you for everyone who watched it. And great thanks for Paula for her support, and bye.